Oh my gosh. Literally falling to my death. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It feels like it's been a full calendar year since daylight savings. I don't know if I'm the only one who just feels like time is moving like molasses right now. And some exciting things have been happening, but also a lot of disappointing things have been happening. And even the good stuff is just hard right now. Like, everything's really hard. And there's nothing like a garden to just tether you back to real time when you have to look out the window and see this every morning. And I've been watching birds eating my seeds, which I love them to eat seeds, and I provide seeds for them, but these are my precious seeds, and so I really want to get out here and harvest them. At this point, we've had some pretty big frosts, and they all need to go. I would say that the outdoor shower also needs to go in. There's a lot of winterizing that needs to happen. It's hard to enjoy this time of year. So the way that I planted this was that these two beds are Dawn Creek, and the two beds at the end are Precious Metals. The one in the middle is Little Flowers, and these are all from Florette, who is a big inspiration to me, and I love that she provides resources about saving seeds when she also sells these. That's how you know that someone is a flower lover, when you just want to share them with people. I will say, I've talked about this before, but some of these varieties did not exactly come true, which I understand. As a breeder, you can't guarantee that everything is perfect. And I'm not trying to be perfect here either. I didn't cover these beds to prevent cross-pollination. And buying these seeds was a really good investment, clearly. They are expensive, but look at how many seeds per flower. And if you pinch them back the way that I did, you're gonna get a lot of flowers. Welcome to my barn loft. The lighting here is really bad, so bear with me. I have the trugs of seeds, and I've written labels for them. I'm not too hung up on trying to keep everything too organized, because they've all kind of been sharing space. And when I replant them next spring, I think that there will be a mix for sure. But I definitely have the most of the Dawn Creek. And these Little Flower ones are just a lot smaller, as the name suggests. So I'm going to lay these out. Ideally, you would have them very spread out, but for this amount of seeds, I'm gonna do the best that I can using my tent. So I have trays in here, and part of the reason why I'm filming this is so I can keep straight where I'm putting things, because a lot of them are smaller trays, like microgreens trays. Some of them I lined with landscape fabric, others I did not, and I have some on top and some in a box over here as well. So I'm gonna try to keep a diary of where I'm putting things. And I apologize for the very unaesthetic setup in here. The barn is actually really exciting. It's finally becoming kind of a usable space. And as I said, I'm up in the loft, which has flooring, and that's really exciting. I would highly recommend this Dawn Creek variety from Floret. I got a lot of blooms. They're pretty good size, and I found these to be hardier. I live in the Northeast, the coastal Northeast, and I found precious metals did not perform as well as the Dawn Creek. I have a yoga swing up here, which is just amazing because I can hang upside down like a bat. I absolutely love that. So I've been coming up here, doing that, and then processing seeds. And I have so many, although this is like the whole seed bed. I haven't sifted out the seeds from the chaff. I think I'm gonna have to do that in like small batches. I went through all of Dawn Creek, and I didn't fill the paper bags up all the way because I wanted to leave some like airflow room. So I split them into 2 different paper bags, but it would have been definitely 1 full paper bag if I hadn't done that. So basically all you do, again, I'm so sorry, the lighting is so bad in here. You basically just take this whole seed head, and what I do is I sort of put my thumbs on either side of the top of it and just pull down. That's what I do. And it basically, the whole thing comes apart, and you're left with this like cone, which I discard. I don't put into this seed mix. And you don't want it to break up, from what I've heard. I just really love doing this. I find this so therapeutic. So I'm getting ready for my family Thanksgiving, and I thought I would just film while I get ready. I can't explain why I feel this way, but I really feel like 2025 is gonna be my year. I've felt that way for a long time, I think because I was born in 95. And there's something about like the 5 years, and also because it means I'm gonna be turning 30, which is really exciting to me. I feel like people in their 30s have such a way of performing their authenticity that I'm really excited to step into. I think the glamour magic for me is really powerful and something that I've been doing since I was really young. I've always enjoyed getting ready and doing my makeup as a kind of therapy. And I've tried so many things with my makeup. When I was younger, I really liked high contrast and like sharp angular brows because it wasn't what I had, you know. I feel like my face was very soft when I was young, which is normal and cute, but I was always wanting to contour and pluck my eyebrows and wear like bright red lipstick and black red liner. And now I feel like I've softened my look a lot. Okay, sorry, I ran out of time making a TikTok, but this is my final makeup look, and now I just have to get dressed. This is my final Thanksgiving look, which I had to put together very quickly, and please don't mind how wrinkly my skirt is. I hope you can see it in the mirror. But I have to run. I think I'm going to end the video here, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you're having a good holiday season. It's very busy. It feels like a lot. Wait, is it too much to wear this hat also? I've been really into these types of hats. They feel like the holidays to me. And it is 2005 or 2025, but to me they're like, it's gonna be the same vibe for me, I'm hoping. Anyways, I will see you in my next video. Bye!